Yeah, my PPT on programming for problem solving using C.
This is Sachin of IT branch and my roll number is 269.
Firstly, my problem statement is an encounter encodes the first 16 lowercase English letters using 4 bits each. The first bit from the left of the code is 0 if the letter lies among the first 8 letters, else it is 1, signifying that it lies among the last 8 letters. The second bit of the code is 0 if the letter lies among the first 4 letters of those 8 letters found in the previous step, else it is 1, signifying that it lies among the last 4 letters of those 8 letters. One second. So, similarly, the third and the fourth bit each signify the half in which the letter lies. For example, the letters J would be encoded as among of A comma B comma C comma D comma E F G H and I J K L M N O P. J appears in the second half, so the first bit of its encoding is 1. Now among I J K L M N O P, J appears in the first half, so the second bit is of its encoding is 0. Now among I J K L, J appears in the first half, so the third bit of its encoding is 0. Now among I and J appears in the second half, so the fourth and the last bit of its encoding is 1. So J's encoding is 1001, means 1001. It is a memory location of starting, which given a binary encoded string capital S of length at most 105 decode the string. That is, the first 4 bits are the encoding of the first letter of the secret message. The next 4 bits encode the second letter and so on. It is guaranteed that the string length is a multiple of 4. Let's see the code. Hashtag include stdio.h. It is a header file which includes the given code. Into main, let's see the int main void. The backslash will does not really code. Let's take a variable of capital T where it is a int data type. Let's use a scanf function. It is a predefined uh, percentile D. The percentile D denotes the decimal integer type, and ampersand T, where ampersand is a uh, built-in, sorry, ampersand T. With the using of while loop, we will make the run code while T dash dash or opening the bracket int n in within the while loop we are taking another variable where it is a int data type, and we are giving user defined in output by using scanf function like percentile d, where it is a percentile denotes the integer type, and ampersand n means it will go into the n variable. Let's take an character array of n, where arr means that array, and n is a matrix of or rows or column. Scan, then we will making a scanf function percentile s comma array. So we need to take array int array of 1 of 20, that is equals to within the flow bracket, we are making, we are writing the a b c d e f g h i j k l m n o p. Like in the next line, we are making with the use of for loop for int I equals to 0 comma sorry semicolon I less than n semicolon I equals to I plus 4, means we are after a after which satisfies the while condition, it will goes into the for loop. If the for loop condition is satisfied at the last, then it will increment plus 4 letters, I equals to I plus 4. Then next I into sum is equals to 0. Then next we are taking if if statement. It is a if statement. Then array of I, if array of I is equals to 1, then it will go to the next line and it will check the it will add the sum equals to sum plus 8. Or else if array of I plus 1 is equals to 1, then it will print then it will go into the sum equals to sum plus 4. Within the if, there is another if statement. This is known as nested if statement, where nested means within a loop it will having same loops. If array of I plus 2 is equals to 1, then sum equals to sum plus 2. Or else we can take else if, or we can take also if condition. Array of I plus 3 is equals to 1, then it is sum equals to sum plus 1. Then we need to print the array of 1. Print f, where printf is a predefined function. Percentage c, c means character of array 1 sum. uh, then uh, then outside of the if nested if loop, nested if, we are printing the function. We are printing after it it makes the code. It will go to the next line. Means when we take the backslash n, it will go to the next line. Then we are making return 0. We have taken input as 3 4 0 0 0 0 8 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 4 1 0 0 1. Then we will get output for 4 0 0 0 is a, 8 of 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 is ap, 4 and 4 1 0 0 1 we will get j. Let's see the code by using compiler. by using compiler రాషిద్, ఇప్పుడు నేను అదే చేసిన కదా. ఇప్పుడు నేను క్రోమ్ ఓపెన్ చేసిన అనుకో, ఇది
మళ్ళీ స్టాప్ షేర్ చేసి క్రోమ్ ఓపెన్ చేయాలి.
స్టాప్ షేర్ క్రోమ్ ఓపెన్ చేయనా?
క్రోమ్ యాడ్
sorry. Let's see the code. Hashtag include where it is a header file. Then we're taking main function. Main function. Then we are taking int data type. Int, we take a variable t. Then we are scanning the variable. ampersand, ampersand which stores into the memory location. Taking while loop. No, we inside the while loop we are taking another data type int and taking another variable n, and we are scanning the variable like hash %ld comma ampersand n. If the user will give the output input, it will stores into the n variable with the help of scanf function. Then we take character of array array of n, character array of n. If we then we need to scan the function of the character array. Ampersand n. Sorry, not ampersand n. This ampersand array. Ampersand of array. Then take int array one of 20, that is equals to of a comma a b c d e f g h i j k l m n o p a b c d f g. So if j h h I j j k l l m n o p n o p. Then we are taking backslash o, so backslash 0. Then after for we are taking for loop int of I is equals to 0 semicolon I less than n semicolon I equals to I plus 4, where it increments 4 letters. After that, taking flow brackets for the for loop, then int of sum is equals to 0 Then within the if condition, array of I is equals to 1, then sum is equals to sum plus 8. Or else if array of I plus 1 is equals to 1, then sum is equals to sum plus 4. Or else if array of I plus 2 is equals to 1, then sum is equals to sum plus 2. We need to keep the semicolon. Then another if condition, array of I plus 3 is equals to 1, then within the flow brackets, sum is equals to sum plus 1, then we are printing the function printf percentile c, where c is the character. We are calling the function array1 of sum then we are printing we are printing the function after this printf backslash n to get into the next line. Return 0. Then let's give the input value. Let's run the code. Punch. The code also.
పాజ్ చేసిన
86 కానీ కోచెఫ్ కానీ ఇది కోడ్
అది ఫోన్ నెంబర్ ఏం ఉంటుంది అంటే నాకు 9010 అని అది పాస్వర్డ్ చెప్పారు దగ్గర ఓటీపీ వస్తుంది చెప్పు ఒకసారి ఇంటర్నెట్ ఓటీపీస్ వస్తాయి కదా డైరెక్ట్ కాదా ఇప్పుడు రాదంటావు పక్క ఒక నిమిషం అదే రీఛార్జ్ ఓటీపీ రాదా ఏంటంటే ఓటీపీ రాదా రోజు అయితే ఎంతసేపు పడుతుందండి ఇది చేయించుకోవాలా కొంచెం పని ఉంది నువ్వే అన్నాడు
Yeah, yeah, okay. Let's see the code. Let's take the output. So let's run the code. Okay. 3, 4, 0. Sorry, I have done some mistake in here. So, sorry for everything. So, it's a mistake. Yeah, I got A. Let's see. Yes, I got A. Let's see. Of 3, 4, I got A. I got A. Thank you.